Good day everyone, I am Christopher Advencula and today I will discuss about chapter 14 titled Automated Management Approach the Computer. So, so in this lesson I will discuss about the computer, the importance of computer and also the functions of a computer in a business organization. So Dr. Mervyn L. Fishbach, a president or founder of International Education Placement Program, say that Filipino students seeking enrollment abroad must take up computer system as a sure or passport to a durable future. So the demand for computer graduates would increase dramatically in the ensuing years as countries join the competition of higher technologies. Then Fishbach said that they expected to place 100 Filipinos in a quota of 300 ASEANs for enrollment in 22 universities and colleges in the United States and Europe. This school earned 1982 to 1983. So also he said have a decided advantage gaining entry in foreign schools because of their proficiency in English, educational background, and generally higher rate of literacy. He added also that the world is entering what he called the information society by the increasingly cheap and available computers to run the lives of entire town and nations. Okay, coping with changing business demands. So we work hard to get where you are. So as an owner or manager of a business, you face with today's sophisticated business technique and equally sophisticated consumer public. Most likely, you're searching for ways to cope with rapidly changing demands and unpredictable economy. So while you want your business to grow, you're concerned about maintaining control and continuing to offer good customer service, and you want to keep operating costs down in areas like inventory and personnel. Controlling your operation and your costs, that's the bottom line to your continued success. What you need is a cost effectiveness solution to your business concern. The computer understands your needs. So with over a quarter of a country of sustained profits, any computer first-hand what growth is all about. The computer offers unique solutions to business problems like your and staying on the leading edge of technology. The computer system capture and process information, increase production by freeing individuals from routine, repetitive tasks, and improve profitably. All our products are easy to learn, expandable, versatile, and competitively priced. Next, the computer that fits business. The computer are designed specially for business. It provides the resources you need to maintain control over important business operations and capture timely information required to make busiest decisions. So computers are used to cut down record keeping and accounting costs, quickly handle important business transactions such as order processing, inventory control, job costing, and dispatching. Also, computer improves the customer service. Using the computer, we will able to provide our customers with faster turnaround on their requests. Orders can be processed as soon as they come in, using inventory and pricing information that is instantly available from the computer system. By scanning inventory for a particular item to determine if a recorder level has been reached. With this kind of current inventory for information loss, sales will be a thing of past, and once an order is processed, the computer can even be made to update your inventory records automatically. Next, computer improve cash flow. So, invoices can be printed directly from the computer. So you can have them in the mail the same day. Accounts receivables will come in faster significantly, providing cash flow. And the computer's timely information will help improve customer service and maintain our competitive. Also, computer can increase productivity of the business. The computer's ability to use the same information for many purposes can improve accuracy and increase productivity in business. Customer file stores on the computer can serve as mailing list or be used in such routine accounting functions as payroll, accounts payable, and general ledger. Once the information is entered, you can use it repeatedly each time with complete accuracy. The advantage of computers in the business also, the computer keeps pace with your growth. When you evaluate a computer for your business, one important criterion deserves careful considerations. Growth, yours and the computers deserves careful considerations. Growth your and the computers as your sales rise or product lines changes. You need a computer that can measure up to your increased demands to hands orders, inventory, production, and accounting functions. The computer measures up. The approachable computer. The computers are extremely easy to learn, so you and your employees won't have to study complex manuals and undergo extensive training. And the system samples operation means you won't have to hire a computer operator to use a The computer offers extra features typically included in a higher price system, like sophisticated character and graphic display features that make it possible for you to duplicate your present business forms right at the terminal screen for fast, fill in the blank entry of information into the computer. And also it processes data quickly, and when you want in the formation of printed form, the system's high-speed printer automatically produces typewriter quality documents. Complete forms management with computer system. All companies, large or small, use forms to simplify and speed up communications. Once designed, form must be printed, inventories and stored, distributed, and updated. The really big business, however, is filing and processing forms and in managing and controlling total information flow. The high cost filing and processing forms. Many everyday transactions, the taking out of mortgage or an insurance policy, the opening of the bank account, the sale of a car, leave a flood of forms in your wake. Even though any one transaction generates many different forms, which all serve different purposes. The form contains essentially the same basic information on the transaction being processed. Computer-aided forms and processing with computer system. The small computer system have been used successfully in many different applications. Among these applications, computer-aided forms processing has often yielded the most effective economies in time and money, has contributed to greatly improve management control. Next is make computer system your forms designer. Computer-aided forms generation with computer system allows you to create any form, its text, length of text, and its actual location on the form. Also, computer make your computer system your forms auditor. Every company needs to maintain a control system for all forms, whether in use or obsolete. Computer-aided forms control with the system allows you to store all forms in the forms files and maintain complete audit control. Most important, computer-aided forms control safeguards against interference with existing forms or the unauthorized creation of new ones. Also, computers can enter a set of data and generate many different forms with computer-aided form filing. Your personal inputs information pertaining to a transaction to a system. Advanced capability standards with every computer. So the Computer Advanced Data Management System or ADMS makes it possible for you to effectively and efficiently organize and control your data files, facilitate the sharing of data and programs, and provide system protection in the event of hardware or software failures. With ADMS, your organization will benefit from many advanced features including first, centralized data definitions that reduce program maintenance. Next is automatic automatic coordination of multiple updates to shared data files, protection of data at the field record and file levels, full file recovery and program restart facilities, complete flexibility to create and modify data definitions and access paths in meeting new data processing needs, also automatic reorganization of data files when data definitions are modified, also ADMS easy programming using an extensive array of computer program development tools with support to be provided for assembled and selected high-level languages. Also compatibility with the computer operating system and file management utilities for more efficient operation. In addition, ADMS provides a superset compatibility with Computer Data Management System or DMS. So how will ADMS work? ADMS organizes all data definitions for an application into a three-level descriptions of the database: a schema, user, views of database, and a storage schema. So the schema is a collection of all record descriptions for the fields in the database. A view defines the records and the fields within each record that the application program can access, and the storage schema defines where the files are stored and the format in which they are stored. ADM's data files may be indexed or sequential. ADMS provides special data definition processor to centrally create, edit, validate, and modify data definitions independently of application forms. Next is the lower development and support costs. Because of data descriptions are created independently of the programs using the data, application programs are insulated against changes to data descriptions. Program maintenance costs will be dramatically reduced since changes to data descriptions need only made one without the need to recompile all programs as a result of all. As added substantial bonus of removing data descriptions from application programs is simplified program logic and increased programmer activity. Unlike other data management systems that add number layer of software, ADMS is supplied with a computer operating system and all runtime functions are carried out at the operating system level. So this means you get more efficient system operation and single source support without incurring special charges or additional staff training. Next, more effective data management. The control of data definitions and files that ADMS provides is the key to more effective data management. You have the flexibility to define new views and record access paths in meeting your changing needs, and your data definitions are automatically checked for internal consistency. Better system security with ADMS, each user access to database is explicitly controlled, and what they do with data when they get it can be precisely limited. Next is increased data integrity. To preserve the integrity of the database during a concurrent operations by multiple users, ADMS incorporates a number of advanced data sharing features. First, dynamic lookout of users from files and a record during updates. Next will be deadlock prevention, then range check validation of data written to files, and groupings of related updates into transactions to maintain consistency between related data files, and more efficient recovery and restart. Database transactions are the heart of the comprehensive ADMS recovery and restart capability. The system logs into an audit trail on the record images, accounting with the computer entry and inventory control. It improves customer service, reduces lost sales, balances inventory investment, improves cash flow, and increase accuracy. In addition to the financial functions of your accounting department, the computer also addresses the important areas of order entry and inventory control to provide system geared to the expanded requirements of your business. The interactive system means that all orders can be entered as they are received. As a single entry triggers an entire sequence of automatic entries and calculators linking order processing, inventory control, billing, inquiry, sales analysis, and management reports. So first is the order processing. Order processing begins with interactive verifications of customer numbers and displaying customer names and credit status. From a single entry, the system automatically generates picking tickets, updates inventory, credits to the proper salesperson, produce an invoice, and long back orders when necessary. Inventory control. For a single order entry, all affected inventory items are automatically updated. Typical inventory file information includes part number, description of product, category, unit cost, 3 selling prices, taxable status, recorder levels, and picking sequences. For billing, can be performed automatically on selected accounts or individually according to your requirements. The system allows you to override prices, assign discount percentages, or add shipping charges, commissions, amounts, and miscellaneous charges for complete billing control. For the safe sales analysis, the computer lets you review your entire inventory by product line and item to evaluate sales and profitability. Reports, the computer provides a variety of crucial inventory including inventory receiving report, price list, inventory stock status, invoice edit list, ship to address report, commissions due, picking tickets, invoice order by item and customer, purchasing advice report, sales analysis by product and product line. Next is accounts receivable. Speeds collections, tighten cash control, identifies sales and profit trends, minimize credit risk exposures, improves customer communication. Account receivable is the lifeblood of any business, and the computer accounting system is designed to keep it flowing smoothly. Speed your collections within the computer flexibility that most competitive systems just can't match. So your accounts receivable system can fine-tune to match your exact requirements. Next is interactive data entry. Because the computer is completely interactive, customers are validated as soon as data entered, not hours or days later as in the case with batch-oriented system. So this means that corrections and adjustments are made on the spot, keeping your records accurate and timely. Next is the aging of receivables. Knowing the age of your receivables is the first step forward and improve collections. Your daily sales outstanding or the DSO can be reduced with reporting as the age trial balance and age totals provided and statement. The systems allows you to determine the numbers of days each aging category, and you may specify either due date or invoice date is the basis for aging. Next is the finance charges. The computer automatically calculates finance charges for those customers who desire additions to spread link collections. This feature can have a surprising impact on increased revenue. The annual percentage rates and limits you select may be updated immediately prior to calculations. Next is the account inquiry. The computer permits you to call any record to the screen or video immediately for review of credit lines, YTD amounts, or any information you maintain on your customers. Also, you can improve communications with your customers while minimizing credit risk exposure. Next is reports. The computer accounts receivable system produces a variety of meaningful, timely reports upon demand, including alphabetical customer list, customer file, open item list, age trial balance, statement remittance sales journal, cash receipt journal, cash summary, period cash summary, finance charges journal, salesman file, commission due report, sales summary, sales analysis by customer, customer type, salesman, and province. For the payroll, relieves last-minute payroll pressure, reduce clerical dependency, simple tax reporting, protects confidential information, analyzes labor costs, changing the requirements make payroll a dilemma for mainly employees, provincial, local, and municipal regulations requires to conform to payroll accounting and reporting methods, yet the number of variables involved such as hours, deductions, and taxes. For the calculations, earnings are the basis of any payroll system. And the computer provides the versatility you need to do the job your way. So the system supports multiple ways of pay for automatically calculating earnings. Hourly and salary payrolls may be processed or for the automatic check printing, because the computer is configured according to our exact requirements, you have your choice of a variety of quality printers. But no matter which printer or combinations of the printers you match your system, your payroll and all reports will be clear and easily to read in exact form. For the invoice payment, the computer will automatically pay all but different invoice according to due date, or only those specifically set. To assist in your payment decisions, the system provides a cash requirements report detailing how much money your company will require for a given period. For the accounts payable distributions reporting, the system allows you to distribute payable to the unlimited number of general ledger accounts and job numbers. Next is the chart of accounts. With the computer, you define your account numbers, descriptions, budget, and account balance for up to 26 accounting periods. The account number allows you to designate your own profit centers of reporting responsibility. For the data entry, general ledger account updates can be performed by allocations or actual passes automatically through the computer accounts receivable, accounts payable, and the payroll. And online inquiry, because of the computer is completely interactive, you don't have to wait for a report to review information you require. Just a few keys chalk at one system. TV type terminals brings you the accurate answer you need when you need them. For the reports, the computer can deliver virtually any general ledger report you require, most of which can be selected for a time period, as well as selected reports of the major reports available include chart of accounts, trial balance, journals, profit and loss statements, supporting schedules, statement of cash, changes in components, supporting capital, journals, general ledger, cross-reference, supporting schedules, balance sheet, changes in financial positions, transmittal letter, and supporting notes. So that's it for today. Thank you, and I hope you learned something. God bless.